Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal, and I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well, and thank you so much for being with me on this English speaking journey. And behind me you can able to see very charming and eye-catching temple. Actually, this is Lakshmi temple, which is located in Jhansi, and it is very beautiful. And it is the temple where our queen Rani Lakshmi Bai came here to pray with goddess Lakshmi, and it is located on the near to the Lakshmi pond. You can see it is night and it is not much visible. Is Muktesh, which is standing behind me, and yeah, and this temple is changing the color. You can see behind me. Some time ago it's yellow, but now its color changed. And today I have traveled from Unnao to Jhansi via bike, and I enjoyed a lot, and it's memorable journey. And as usual, today I'm on continuous on my spoken English journey, and I want to motivate you all people. And it's become green, so it's very beautiful and eye-catching view you can able to see behind me. There are so many temples are there. This is also another temples you can see behind me, and one of the corners of Lakshmi Pond there was our goddess Lord Bhutnath temple is also located, and it's like 5 meter away from me. But definitely I'm going to create a blog on there also once I get a time, because just today I arrived in Jhansi, and I think like I'm going to make it continuous. I'm not going to any break, as I have taken a challenge for myself, and I'm going to create a video blog on daily basis without any skip. So as usual today also I want to narrate a story like once upon a time there was a village, and where a boy living with his family, and he's very good at study, but after some certain amount of time he started bypassing, or like if he gets some take homes to do, so he said like I'm going to do it tomorrow or the day before tomorrow, and he's not going to complete his take homes. And after some certain amount of time, or after 1 week, there was so many take homes which is incomplete, and he started thinking like I'm not able to complete it, and he become very bad. And his teachers asked for some questions, then he not able to answer that question, so he started struggling a lot. And after some times there was a wise man, and the wise man comes in his village, and so when the wise man came in his village, and the person of this village goes to the meet with the wise man, and they all person from that village they goes to the met with village, and started talking about their problems one by one. So that particular student or boy also think like I'm going to meet with the wise man, and my if my life is also going to change, and I'm also able to become successful like my friends. So he also goes to the met with for a meeting with wise man, in a park. So when he goes, so there are so many people, so he just sit and listening to the wise man. And when all people goes, only wise man left in the park. Then that boy goes to the wise man and he asked like, I am traveling a lot and I'm not good at study, and I'm not able to achieve good rank in my class. So wise man started telling a story like there was a kingdom, and the king of that particular majesty is very friendly, and he's very wise and friendly. And you can see behind me there was a dog came. He's very cute. He just ran. So yeah, at continuous. So that particular wise man started telling a story to that boy, like there was a majesty and there was a king, and he is very friendly with their peoples, and he is asking for every peoples from his kingdom for their wellness, and if anyone get any struggle, or if they are not able to do good, then definitely he was going to help them. So there was a man who is in big trouble and he's not able to get a job, and also he's not good and no one wants to talk with him. So he met with king and he's very sad. So king started asking about his wellness. So he started like, I'm not able to get a job. If I'm get a job, then also people are saying to me like you are not able to complete the task on time, and you are not having good knowledge and all. So king said to him like, yeah, if you are in struggle time and if you are not having anything for you or for survival of yourself, then come in my palace and I'm going to give you so much money. Whatever you are able to collect, please come there, and